Hey guys, this is day number 9 of doing this trick shot until Dude Perfect notices me.
Day 9,
so
good
I'm not
commitment.
asking you guys to like the video or anything. All I'm asking for you to do is please tag Dude Perfect in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it.
Yeah, that's how we found it, so that's good. A little long-winded on the intro, though.
Dude Perfect in the comments below, I'm gonna like every single one of them, no matter what.
Good. Way to give back. Give
back.
back to the community. Okay, running off to do the trick shot, I assume. Going for the trampoline. With a flip, back flip.